Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Science of Standard 8th. Here we are going to start chapter number 1, that is Crop Production and Management, part 5. In this part we are going to discuss some important questions. So let us discuss question number 1. Select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. So number 1, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called dash. It means in single one field we are growing same type of plants. So it is called crop. So first answer is crop. Number 2, the first step before growing crops is dash of the soil. First step before growing crops means before sowing we need to prepare the land. So your answer is preparation. Number 3, damaged seeds would dash on top of water. So your answer is float, because always damaged seeds are float on the water and good quality of seeds always sink in the water. Question number 4, for growing a crop sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential. So with the help of water and nutrients, the sunlight is also essential for crop production. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Number 1 is preparation of the soil, number 2 is sowing, number 3 weeding, and number 4 threshing. This question can be asked in detail. So first we'll take preparation of the soil. Everyone knows that the first step before growing crop is preparation of the soil. So for preparation of the preparation of the soil is the first step before growing a crop. For this, the soil is plugged. Due to plugging, the soil become loose and turning up down. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily. To loosen soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. They add humus to the soil. That means with the help of plug, preparation of the soil is to be done. Then for loosening and turning, the plugging is necessary. After that, for up and down process, plugging is necessary. The third point is roots to penetrate deep into the soil. मतलब roots को soil में deep जाने के लिए plug करना क्या होता है, necessary होता है. Then the loose soil helps in the growth of earthworms. जितना loose soil रहेगा उतना earthworm क्या होंगे, increase होंगे और वो soil fertility develop करेंगे. Then microbes present in the soil. Everyone knows that earthworms and microbes are helpers to the soil because they maintain nutrients in the soil. They add humus to the soil. They add moisture to the soil. Next, the plug field may have big pieces of the soil called crumbs. With the help of preparation of the soil, ये जो crumbs रहते हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं, लूज हो जाते हैं. These crumbs can be broken with the use of a pank. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purpose. After preparation of soil, हम लोग उसमें sowing मेथड कर सकते, देन हम लोग उसको इरिगेशन कर सकते. सोइंग मीन्स सीड्स सो करना एंड इरिगेशन मीन्स उसको पानी प्रोवाइड करना. द लेवलिंग ऑफ द सॉइल इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेवलर. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द सॉइल के लिए, सॉइल लेवल करने के लिए हम लोग कौन सी मशीन यूज़ कर सकते हैं? लेवलर. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. This helps in proper mixing of manure with the soil. The soil is watered before sowing. By this, the prepared soil becomes suitable for sowing. एट द टाइम ऑफ टिलिंग मैन्योर ऐड करते जस्ट बिकॉज जब हम लोग प्लग से सॉइल अप एंड डाउन करेंगे तो वो मैन्योर इजीली मिक्स हो जाएगा सॉइल में, सो वो सूटेबल रहेगा सोइंग प्रोसेस के लिए. सो अवर सेकेंड पॉइंट इज सोइंग. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality of seed are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. सो फार्मर्स का फर्स्ट मोटिव क्या रहता है कि सीड क्या होना चाहिए? गुड क्वालिटी का सीड होना चाहिए, जिसके वजह से फार्मर का जो येल्ड है वो क्या हो? इंक्रीज हो. द टूल यूज ट्रेडिशनली फॉर सोइंग वीड्स इज फनल शेप. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pass into the soil and place seeds there. अगर हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल मेथड देखें तो उसमें फनल शेप का इंस्ट्रूमेंट रहता है. उसमें प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे सीड अगर हम लोग डालते हैं तो वो प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे क्या हो जाता है? सीड ग्रो होता है. बट अगर हम लोग अभी की बात करें, सो नाउअडेज द सीड ड्रिल इज़ यूज्ड फॉर सोइंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रैक्टर्स. दिस टूल सोज द सीड्स यूनिफॉर्मली एट प्रॉपर डिस्टेंसेस एंड डेप्थ. सो नाउअडेज जो सीड ड्रिल यूज़ करते हैं वो प्रॉपर डिस्टेंसेस पे सीड यूनिफॉर्मली सीड सो करता है एंड यूनिफॉर्मली वो डेप्थ में भी क्या कर देता है? उसको रखता है. बाय दिस सीड्स गेट कवर्ड बाय द सॉइल आफ्टर सोइंग. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. Our third topic is weeding. The process of removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrient, space, and light. Some weeds interfere even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings. So everyone knows that what is weed, that unwanted plants grown with crops is called weeding. So these weeds can be harmful or poisonous for animals or human beings. So it is necessary to cut it off. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of a khurpi. With the help of khurpi, we can cut these weeds. This method is called physical method of weeding. A seed drill is used to uproot weeds. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and gets mixed with the soil. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides. First method to remove weeds is physical method and second method to remove weeds is chemical method. So with the help of chemicals weeds can be removed. It is called weedicides. These chemicals are called weedicides like 2,4-D. Here D means dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. These are spread in the fields to kill the weeds. They do not damage the crops. The weedicides are diluted with water to the extent required and sprayed in the fields with a sprayer. So with the help of sprayer, this chemical we can use. Number 4 is threshing. Harvesting is the cutting of crop after it is mature. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. Threshing is used when crop is matured. After maturing the crop, we need to differentiate between seeds and their chaff. For this this process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of machines called combine, which is in fact a combine harvester and thresher. For threshing purpose, we use machine called combine. So for threshing, combine is used. In combine, there are two machines is used. One is harvester and second one is thresher.